What is alpine ragwort? Alpine ragwort is a plant. The parts that grow above the ground are used to make medicine. What is alpine ragwort used for? Despite serious safety concerns, people take alpine ragwort to treat diabetes, high blood pressure, and spasms. It is also used to control bleeding, especially after tooth extraction. Some women use it to cause the uterus to contract. Don't confuse golden ragwort, Senecio aureus, with alpine ragwort. Both are sometimes called squaw weed. How does it work? There's not enough information to know how alpine ragwort might work. Uses and effectiveness. Insufficient evidence to rate effectiveness for diabetes, high blood pressure, uncontrolled bleeding, spasms, other conditions. More evidence is needed to rate the effectiveness of alpine ragwort for these uses. Side effects. There's a lot of concern about using alpine ragwort as medicine because it contains chemicals called hepatotoxic pyrrolizidine alkaloids, PAs, which may block blood flow in the veins and cause liver damage. Hepatotoxic PAs might also cause cancer and birth defects. Alpine ragwort preparations that are not certified and labeled hepatotoxic PA-free are considered unsafe. It's also unsafe to apply alpine ragwort to broken skin. The dangerous chemicals in alpine ragwort can be absorbed quickly through broken skin and can lead to dangerous body-wide toxicity. Steer clear of skin products that aren't certified and labeled hepatotoxic PA-free. There isn't enough information to know if it's safe to apply alpine ragwort to unbroken skin. It's best to avoid use. Special precautions and warnings. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. It's unsafe to use alpine ragwort preparations that might contain hepatotoxic PAs during pregnancy. These products might cause birth defects and liver damage. It's also unsafe to use alpine ragwort preparations that might contain hepatotoxic PAs if you are breastfeeding. These chemicals can pass into breast milk and might harm the nursing infant. It's not known whether products that are certified hepatotoxic PA-free are safe to use during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Stay on the safe side and avoid using any alpine ragwort preparation if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Allergy to ragweed and related plants. Alpine ragwort may cause an allergic reaction in people who are allergic to the Asteraceae/Compositae plant family. Members of this family include ragweed, chrysanthemums, marigolds, daisies, and many others. If you have allergies, be sure to check with your healthcare provider before taking alpine ragwort. Liver disease. There is concern that the hepatotoxic PAs in alpine ragwort might make liver disease worse. Stay on the safe side and avoid using any alpine ragwort preparation if you have liver disease. Interactions. Medications that increase breakdown of other medications by the liver, cytochrome P453A4, CYP3A4, inducers, interaction rating, moderate. Be cautious with this combination. Talk with your health provider. Alpine ragwort is broken down by the liver. Some chemicals that form when the liver breaks down alpine ragwort can be harmful. Medications that cause the liver to break down alpine ragwort might enhance the toxic effects of chemicals contained in alpine ragwort. Some of these medicines include carbamazepine, tegretol, phenobarbital, phenytoin, dilantin, rifampin, rifabutin, micabutin, and others. Dosing. The appropriate dose of alpine ragwort depends on several factors such as the user's age, health, and several other conditions. At this time, there is not enough scientific information to determine an appropriate range of doses for alpine ragwort. Keep in mind that natural products are not always necessarily safe and dosages can be important. Be sure to follow relevant directions on product labels and consult your pharmacist or physician or other healthcare professional before using.